Because when you think like an engineer, companies don't hire for your marks, they hire for your mindset. You might have heard people say, learn DSA and you'll get placed. But here's the harsh reality. Not everyone who learns DSA are getting placed. So, what is the difference between someone who cracks at NLP a job and someone who struggles even after solving hundreds of problems? Today, I'll reveal the secret DSA skills that top companies look for. The ones that gets you placed if you build them right. This isn't motivation, this is something every future engineer must listen. Let's be honest, most of the students treat DSA as a checklist. Arrays done, strings done, matrices done. You might know how to write a binary search code, but can you debug it under pressure? Can you communicate your logic under pressure? Can you optimize it when required? That's where 90% of the students fail. Not because they can't solve the problem, but they haven't learned it the right way. So let's uncover the top 5 DSA skills that gets you placed. The first one is pattern recognition. Don't just memorize problems, identify patterns. Every company reuses the DSA concepts such as graphs, strings, so on. So once you recognize the pattern, you will be a better problem solver. The second one is code optimization mindset. Everyone can write a code, but few can only optimize. Focus on time and space complexity from your first line of code. That's what separates a beginner from a pro. And the third one is debugging skill. Every interviewer see how fast can you recover from an error. Learn to think aloud, debug your logic and explain your fix. That confidence alone gets you shortlisted. And the fourth one is system thinking. DSA is not just code, it's how real-world systems functions. Once you understand queues, caches and heaps as a system behavior, your logic will naturally change. And the last and important one is communication. This is the most underrated part. The way you explain your approach is as important as approach itself. Even if your code fails, your clarity can still make an impression. When companies like Amazon and Google hire, they don't look for coders. They look for problem solvers who think like engineers. And here's the secret. These 5 skills that we discuss will help you get placed. Because even if you change roles or switch the tech, the ability to analyze, debug and solve the problem on your own never fades. In fact, every SmartInterviews students who learn these skills not only learn syntax but crack their dream company even from Tier 2 and Tier 3 colleges. Because when you think like an engineer, companies don't hire for your marks, they hire for your mindset. So here's the next steps that you need to do. Don't focus on concepts, but focus on the 5 skills that we discussed. At SmartInterviews, we help you to learn DSA how product engineers learned. Through mentorship, mock interviews, and logic-first teaching. From just solving the problems in a smart way. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with the smartest way to crack your dream job. Let's grow your career together.